Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Instagram Reels with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's video, we're going to use an application called InVideo AI. So first of all, you can download this AI on your phone or you can open it from the website. And here I have already installed this InVideo AI, so I'm going to open it. And after you have opened the AI, you need to log into the AI using your Google account. And then you're going to generate AI video. Okay, I'm going to click on this option, create AI video. And then here we can choose create short video. And since we want to create Instagram Reel, we can choose Instagram Reels. Okay, click on save. And then you're going to set the video. You can type your topic here, and I'm going to choose fast-paced. Okay, and then you can type your topic here, and for example, I'm going to create climate change video, climate change Instagram Reel. Okay, click on done, and then you can choose the background music. For the background music, I'm going to choose peaceful music. Okay, and then for the language, I'm gonna choose English, and for the subtitles, I'm going to choose word by word subtitle, just for example. And then voice actors, I'm going to use a female. And then I'm going to choose clear American voice, and then watermark text, and stock preference, music preference. I'm going to choose use the best audio available. Okay, and then once you're done setting your video, you can click on submit, and then I'm going to click on this icon to generate. Alright, and here I'm going to click on generate, and it will take longer times. You need to wait until 100%. Okay, and now my video is ready guys, and I'm going to play it.
Think climate change is too big for one person to tackle? Think again. Every year, our planet gets a little bit warmer. It's melting.
And yeah, that's so cool. And if you want to download the video, you can click on this edit and download. And I don't want to edit the video, so I'm just going to download it. Okay, and I'm going to download the video. And now the video is ready. The video has been saved to my gallery. Okay, I'm going to open it.
Think climate change is too big for one person to tackle? Public transport just every day.
Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.